Press the black pneumatic connector to pull out the material tube. The fuselage is broken outward to loosen the upper cover clasp to remove the upper cover. Cut the cable TI's and unplug the wiring on the motherboard. Loosen the heating plate screws to remove the heating plate. Installation of new heating plates. Plug in the wiring and secure with cable TIs. Fix the two bearings and cover the cover plate. Just insert the material tube.